Magkano ang pinakamurang health insurance with 1 million coverage? 24,000 a year lang ang 1 million health insurance coverage or tinatawag natin na critical illness coverage para sa age 30. Pwede mo rin tong bayaran ng semi-annual na 12,000 plus or quarterly na 6,000 plus. The moment na ma-approve yung plan, mag-aantay lang tayo ng 90 days para ma-activate na itong coverage mo when it comes to health insurance. So kahit na isang quarter pa lang ang hulog mo, or 6 months pa lang, isang taon pa lang, if ever na-diagnose tayo ng cancer, stroke, heart attack, Alzheimer's, kidney disease, etc., babayaran tayo ni AIA ng 1 million coverage. On top of that, kung sakaling healthy yung member, kumakain siya ng tama, nagpapa-annual physical exam, nag-exercise lagi, at nauna siyang namatay bago nagkasakit, don't worry, 1 million pa rin ang ibibigay ng AIA sa family mo. So dito sa plan na to, whichever comes first, nagka-major critical illness ba or death. So yun yung matatanggap ng family or nung member pang hospitalization or medical expenses. Plan na to is tinatawag natin na AIA Critical Protect 100 kasi covered tayo ng 100 critical illnesses until age 100. Itong plan nga pala nito kaya affordable is 20 years to pay. Kung gusto mo ng 10 years to pay para shorter years lang, pwede naman tataas lang yung hulog. Pwede nating i-adjust ang iyong plan. Kung gusto mong kuhanan ng baby mo, age 0, so mangyayari, 11,000 lang ang huhulugan mo per year, covered na siya agad ng 1 milyon. 20 years to pay, so pag 20 years old na siya, nag-aaral pa, pag-graduate na ng college soon, fully paid na yung plan. If you have questions or if you want more explanation regarding the plan, please message me with your age.